Welcome to our series on philosophers. Today, we delve into the profound teachings of Maitreyi, an influential philosopher from ancient India. Maitreyi's wisdom, recorded in the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, sheds light on the nature of the self and its relationship with the ultimate reality, Brahman. Throughout her dialogues, Maitreyi questioned the value of material wealth in achieving true happiness, advocating instead for self-knowledge and spiritual fulfillment. In this video, we will explore her insightful views and understand how they resonate with our contemporary world, addressing issues like materialism, mental well-being, and environmental ethics. Join us as we journey through Maitreyi's timeless wisdom and its enduring relevance today. Maitreyi questioned the value of material wealth in achieving immortality. Her famous query, "What should I do with that by which I do not become immortal?" reflects her deep understanding that material possessions cannot provide lasting happiness. In a world increasingly driven by consumerism, Maitreyi's insights are profoundly relevant. She emphasized that true fulfillment lies in understanding the self and its unity with Brahman, the ultimate reality. This ancient wisdom invites us to reconsider our pursuits and recognize that true happiness extends beyond material gains. Let's take a moment to reflect on how this timeless lesson resonates within our own lives today. Maitreyi believed that true knowledge and liberation come from understanding the self and realizing its unity with Brahman. This concept is foundational in the Upanishads, where the ultimate goal is to achieve moksha, or liberation from the cycle of birth and rebirth. Maitreyi's emphasis on self-knowledge aligns remarkably well with modern psychological practices such as mindfulness and self-awareness. In today's fast-paced world, these practices are more relevant than ever, promoting mental clarity and inner peace. By realizing our true nature and our unity with the ultimate reality, we follow a timeless path to enlightenment that transcends both ancient teachings and contemporary psychology. Maitreyi's dialogues illustrate an early recognition of the interconnectedness of all life forms. Her profound understanding reveals that every living being is part of an intricate web of existence. This idea resonates with modern ecological awareness and underscores the importance of sustainability and environmental ethics. By recognizing our connection to the natural world, we are reminded that our actions have far-reaching effects. Maitreyi's insights encourage us to adopt a more holistic and respectful approach to our environment, highlighting the need for sustainable living practices in our contemporary world. By seeing ourselves as part of a larger whole, we can foster a deeper sense of responsibility towards all forms of life. Maitreyi's philosophy shares common ground with modern thinkers like Henry David Thoreau, Martin Buber, and Eckhart Tolle. Thoreau emphasized simplicity and self-reliance, much like Maitreyi's views on material wealth. Buber's I-Thou relationships echo her insights on interconnectedness, reflecting genuine human connections. Tolle's teachings on self-awareness and living in the present moment align with Maitreyi's emphasis on self-knowledge. Their shared focus on self-understanding and interconnectedness highlights the timeless relevance of Maitreyi's ideas, demonstrating how ancient wisdom continues to inspire modern thought. In conclusion, Maitreyi's teachings on self-knowledge, interconnectedness, and the limitations of material wealth offer profound insights for our modern world. Let's value inner wealth over outer wealth, connect with others on a deeper level, and respect nature as part of ourselves. By embracing these timeless truths, we can lead healthier, more meaningful lives. Remember, true happiness and fulfillment come from within and our connections with the world around us.